thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles west of McHenry to 26 nautical miles west of Elgin, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Windsor Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Mill Lake Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazard is weather passes. Those who should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm is past. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
What's this?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Boone County in north central Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 8:40 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Woodstock to near Genoa, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotter. The storm has had a history of 60 to 70 miles per hour wind gusts and tree damage. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
I gotta get my room cleaned up, man, before this main event starts.
Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Plains, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove.
Okay, hold on.
In between mile marker 60 and 69. Building. Michigan City. Open waters from Mill Lake Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11 a.m. At 9
Oh, I'm under an SVA too. Alright then.
Line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of McHenry to 90
Get all these set
nautical
up.
miles northwest of Hoosier Airport to 8 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving east at 40 knots. Wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted.
This one goes until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 4 p.m. Eastern. Couple tornadoes possible. Isolated hail up to ping pong size possible. Scattered wind gusts up to 75 miles an hour likely. Just includes far northern Indiana, and there it is. And he's finally activated.
National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 550, effective until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana, LaPorte and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan, Marion and Cass, and the following, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 a.m. At 9:07 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Liberty to Inverness to near Sleepy Hollow, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, and Addison. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois. Illinois University. The lowest floor of the building. Issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to the line of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 21 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver, Crib, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Now here is waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out of mid-lake until 11:45 a.m. At 10:50 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver, Crib to 6 nautical miles northeast of Indiana Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous scenes.
IWX issued one as well.
Marine warning for Lake Michigan, Indiana to Michigan 5. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:52 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berrien County in southwestern Michigan until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgman, or 11 miles southwest of Fair Plain, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Berrien Springs around 12:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Union Pier, Grand Beach, Glendora,
extremely windy outside.
Troy, Harvard, Berkshire, Sawyer, Turner Shores. Protection measures carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm has been issued until 1 p.m. Daylight Time for the following counties: Berrien, Michigan. 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berrien, Michigan. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, northern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, or 8 miles northeast of Dowagiac, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Marcellus around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pullman around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Nottawa, Leonidas, Moore Park, Pullman around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Findlay, Linden, and Fisher's Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Whoa.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph. Warning for northern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, northwestern Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Colon, or 14 miles northeast of Sturgis, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Coldwater around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Quincy around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Nottawa, Girard, Burr Oak, Allen, Sherwood, Fairfax, Leonidas, Batavia, South Butler, and Wasippi. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Branch, Hillsdale, and St. Joseph. For the following counties in Michigan, Branch. p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. In Indiana, Elkhart and Kosciuszko. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Northwestern Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, southern Branch County in southwestern Michigan until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerville, or 7 miles northwest of Sturgis, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Or 7 miles northwest of Sturgis, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sturgis around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bronson around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Nottawa, East Gilead, Nevada Mills, Burr Oak, Singer Lake, California, Fairfax, Fawn River, Kinderhook, and Batavia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Branch and St. Joseph, and Steuben, Indiana.
What is this?
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cassopolis, or near Dowagiac, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cassopolis around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Whitefish around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Penn, Jones, Vandalia, Diamond Lake, Shavehead Lake, LaGrange, Paradise Lake, Calvin Center, Donda Lake, and Montville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph. Visit our website via weather.gov/NWA. Impact, expect damage to roofs.
Thanks a lot, IWX. I was outside.
This severe thunderstorm will be near LaGrange around 9:15 p.m.
Who is this even for?
Dome City around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Walcottville, Brimfield, Hunterville, Eddy, Adams Lake, Oliver Lake, Woodruff, Emma, Shipshewana, and Cosperville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes
All
can
alerts have
develop
stated
quickly
that
from
today.
severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Go at once into the basement. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, LaGrange, and Noble. Also, NOAA Weather Radio KGY62 in report. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. This thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Middlebury to near Dunlap to Miro Seal Line, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: severe thunderstorms were located along these lines by hail. Source indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Goshen, Dunlap, and Walkers around 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Millersburg and New Paris around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Napanee around 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Syracuse and Milford around 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Jimtown, Southwest, Foraker, Gravelton, Locke, Benton, Oakwood Park, and Waterford Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, Marshall, and St. Joseph.